guys, it is November 20th, 2021. There I got a call from a customer of mine. I've not worked for him in a while. And I guess his father's house has no heat. I believe it's a gas furnace, if I remember right. I think I might have did something over there with the AC. Replaced his air conditioning on it or something like that. But the complaint is he's got no heat. So I'm going over there, wanted to know if I could go over there on a Saturday. And yeah, he's been a good customer over the years. I'll go. I mean, left Miss Molly home, so she's not too far down the road a little bit here, and we'll pop in, see what's going on with this guy. He owns a bunch of McDonald's, this guy. Well, he used to. I don't know if he still does. He might be retired now, but he had a whole bunch of McDonald's that he owned. And that was years ago. Look at all the look at all the birds. It's a riot, Mama. Oh man, they're gonna riot. Anyway, it's probably a thermocouple older device. Hopefully it's something simple I can get them going. I got shit to do around my yard this weekend. I want to be out working. I need a flipping break anyway. I've been working like a flipping animal. Go, 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 continuously. I need a flipping break.
Turn right on Tucker Road.
Anyway, we'll get you some shots if I can. He's gonna be over there helicoptering me. It's gonna be one of them hovercrafts, a helicopter type. Yeah, it's definitely calling. 2 zones calling. We got zone dampers here. See what's going on with it.
Okay.
That usually the case, huh? You don't miss working then?
No, I don't miss working. Had enough of that. I worked it 38 years, you know? It's enough. Yeah, like I told you, sold my office, sold my house.
What about the wife you saw? Her too? No?
No,
She's
I
still
told her I
around?
would, but she said no.
She's still around.
She got something on the lease, she said.
Oh, this is all bound up. See how hard that's turning?
Yeah.
That's not good. Well, see if it's even, the board's even calling or anything, I mean. Doesn't seem like nothing's running. Fan should be running, you know, the fan should be going. That exhaust fan should be running. Nothing. Let's see if there's any codes in this thing. Can't stop a Goodman, they say.
Yeah.
Can't stop a Goodman. Oh, looks like the Run Cat Bandit's been here.
What is that?
Look, they hanging the flipping thing off the... Yeah. That's bound up. See it? It's not spinning.
Yeah.
Unless there's birds in there. Could be birds in there because this is a chimney, right?
Yeah.
I've seen that recently. Let's check it. Might have bats in your belfry.
What's that device you got there?
That's my camera. See if we got any birds in there. Oh, this thing's flopping in the wind. I think there's one. If not, I might be able to get this. It might be in stock. The guys are working Saturday though.
Okay.
Let's see. Sometimes there's birds in there.
Yeah. Whatever you have to do to get them going here.
Well, I mean, it's not something I have in the truck, you know?
Yeah.
Unfortunately. Nope, no birds. No. Unless I could oil it. I might be able to oil it to get it going.
Oh, okay. It's a fan motor there?
Yeah. I don't see no dead birds in there or nothing. Let me try oiling it.
All right.
I don't think that there's anything in there, but don't look like it. I'll be able to tell if there was birds in there and shit, you know. So many birds in there. Let's see if we maybe we'll be able to oil it. Because it's
Thermostat's calling for it. Should I leave it on?
yeah. I got the door open here, so.
Okay.
There should be bearings in there, you know, and just get bound up. Yeah, see it's starting to spin a little easier there. Not the ideal thing to oil it, but what are you gonna do? I mean, if we get it to run for now, give him some heat. Nope. Nope. Almost looks fucking loose, huh? That looks loose as a goose there. Gonna have to get a, you got a rag, I wanna wipe this, all this oil
Yeah.
up that I put here.
Get you something here.
Yeah, see it's spinning over good now, see it? Look at that shit. Yeehaw.
So what tied it up, you think?
I don't know, it's just bound up. Tighter than 2 coats of paint. Alright, so we're gonna put this bottom door back on, she should fire. Just getting old, I mean, they don't lubricate them.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll take the model and serial number. If it happens again, we'll get him another motor.
Okay.
It is Saturday afternoon here, you know?
Yeah.
It's starting to glow red here, so.
I think the motor's gonna fail. You wanna just order another motor?
It's a big flipping furnace, man. If I get the model and serial off it, we can. Here it is. So we got the oil in there, we got it to work, I mean, it freed up, right?
Yeah. Make it, see how it goes.
I'd let it go.
Let it go? Okay.
I mean, because I got the oil in there, I mean, it's non-oiling, but we got that Creo oil in there, so whatever was binding it up, freed it up, the bearings.
Okay.
I mean, unless he's got money to waste, I thought he wasn't glad to see me just now.
He's worried.
Yeah. Plus
He gets cold quick.
Plus it's Saturday today, so he doesn't have to pay me extra, right?
It isn't there.
Huh?
We understand it's Saturday. Glad to have you come. Getting? You help us out. Pay you.
Well, look at that shit. Like another happy customer.
All right.
Huh?
Absolutely. Down to.
Yeah, I put a screw in it.
Okay.
I do. I think it's gonna be fine, but if you're gonna keep whining about it, we'll go and get another motor. You want me to go get another motor? I think it's gonna be fine. You wanna let it ride? I would. I mean, how old is your father?
So my father, when we go upstairs.
He's not no spring chicken, right? He ain't got a bunch of money to waste, does he?
No, doesn't.
All right. Let's
Get all the numbers in case it fails again.
yeah, I'm taking the numbers down right now.
Just tell me you think it's gonna be okay. Give them security.
Well, I'll tell you, let's shut it off and we'll see how easy it spins. How's that sound? All right, so let's shut it off. We know that was hard to spin, right?
Yeah.
Before I oiled it. Just to satisfy you. Look at it. I'm spinning. It's spinning over.
Yeah,
It's really easy there. See it?
Like that before.
It wasn't like that. It was hard. I couldn't move it. So I'm feeling pretty confident that the thing's gonna work. Okay?
All right.
So let's turn it back on. Let's see if it fires up. It should. Might have to go to. Yeah, there's probably a little delay on the heat there. Purge override. Purge override?
Yeah.
Hit that. Whatever that purge override shit is. Yeah, take the cover off. When I shut the power off, it went on to purge. And I just hit that purge override, and now it's calling for heat again. So it must have a delay on it.
I see.
Oh yeah, if it's on purge. So I mean, this thing's free, it's spinning freely now. Let's let it go. I mean, it's not making a racket or nothing. I mean, I wouldn't be wasting money on that for. No, you might. It was just bound up tighter than 2 coats of paint. Like I said, I mean, the old man's, he doesn't want to be spending a ton of money, right?
Yeah. Just wants it working.
As long as it's working. I got the information. If it goes out again, we'll get another.
All right. What would that motor cost if you got it?
Or something like that. You're probably looking at, maybe $175 plus all my labor.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's going to be up there. You don't want to do it today, that's for sure.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, bound up exhaust fan motor, oiled and freed up. So I'd let it ride.
Okay.
We'll let it ride and we'll see how it goes.
That's the exhaust fan motor
No, the fan motor's underneath there.
on the other side. Okay.
The gas is on, and it's some kind of burner. And it's gas fired. I don't think I've ever seen one.
Yeah, just leave it. You put that tank, a hot water tank.
Maybe, but this is quite the unit. This is what I needed for my ex-wife. I'd put her right in here and give it to you. How you doing? No? She stink up the place though.
Yeah.
She would have stuck up the place. Alright guys, just left that job. That Creo oil freed up that motor really good, so I'm just gonna let it fly. The guy that living there is 95. His son was down cellar with me, and he ain't got the money, He ain't got the money to be spending the extra on shit like that. I mean, that fan might go another 3-4 years like that. The bearings and shit were just kind of bound up. Might have got some dust in there. Who the hell knows? I got the information off it. If it goes down again, I'll get another one. It's Saturday afternoon. The place is closed anyway, so I can't get the motor until Monday, so let it ride. I'll write the information down. I took a picture with my phone, and if it goes out again, we got to get an exhaust fan motor. It's available. It's a Goodman. Can't stop a Goodman. Oh man, you can't stop a Goodman, Mama. I have to stop a Goodman.